Here we go. Let's go, baby. Got my can, got the gun. You know what's happening today. Right then, so what we need is one set of tools. Like so. Advanced. We need axle stand. Axle stand. Yep. Sure, there's another axle stand around here. So there's the axle stand there. I need my tools. Yeah, ignore this. This is the sell wheels. Let's sell the exhaust. Got to sell quite a few things in that, and then we can start getting mods. So I know garage is looking not the best at the moment, but yeah, need new cartridge. Need to get rid of the exhaust. Need to get rid of the wheels. Create some space. Like garage ain't got much space in it, so once you bang the bike in, it's literally like a push. But obviously, since buying the TEG, we've got some bits. But obviously, the video is nothing to do with the TEG today, so let's get to it. Yes guys, what is happening, and welcome back to a brand new video. So today what we're doing, we are fitting, I'm going to go for, this is going to be the loudest Cupra in the UK. He got away with it before. He bought a 3-inch Piper turbo back, so it literally was decat all the way back and had a tiny back box. It wasn't actually that loud, which was surprising. Obviously bearing in mind it's a Corsa, I thought it was going to be really loud, but it wasn't. But today we are fitting a 4-inch track slag decat, so it's like 4-inch goes down to 3-inch, and then a 3-inch Cupra, I'm sure it's a Venom turbo back. And honestly, the back box is absolutely tiny, and we've looked inside the back box and it doesn't look like there's anything in there. So this is going to be like the loudest Cupra in the UK. So we're going for it. So we're making that claim. Obviously we don't know that for 100% yet, but we are going to see what it does. So yeah, without further ado, we're going to show you how to install it. So if you've got a Cupra out there and you're watching this video, we're going to show you how to fit the exhaust. So yeah, without further ado, I'm off to go meet them now. Floor's a bit wet, so we're going to get a bit wet, but yeah, let's get on with the video. Sweet. Right, as you guessed it, I'm the only one here, so no one else has turned up yet. So just waiting for my brother to turn up, and then Aaron. We're working somewhere different today. It's his nan's thingy bob. Apparently it's flat, it's not on the road, it's not near anything, so I thought we'd give this a try, because I don't want to be doing anything on the road anymore, and my nan's drive's quite slope, so we're going to be able to get the car as high as possible on all jacks. So yeah, hopefully it's going to be decent. I don't know, working on cars, obviously you need to, this shouldn't be too bad. I've watched videos and hopefully it's not too bad, but we don't know, it could be a gift. So fingers crossed, praying. Hopefully you guys here are watching this now praying, but yeah, hopefully it's going to be a good one. I'm going to show you step by step how to install the exhaust. So yeah, let's go for it, and I'll see you in a sec. And so we're at the unit. This is pretty good. This is, to be fair, this is like Fast and Furious, you know, instead of being at Dominic Toretto's. We're at the local park. So yeah, hopefully you can hear me with this wind. It is absolutely awful. He's going to get the drinks. So yeah, let's see what we're at. So obviously we're going to take the airbox lid off as well, because we want a bit more noise. Well, he hasn't said he wants that, but here is the beauty. So we got the standard, what size cat? 2.5-inch decat.
3-inch that is.
That's a 3-inch decat, yeah. Yeah. So we got to move this 3-inch decat, which we believe is off a Mark 7 Golf. So the fitment's a bit funny. So this is the reason why we're going for the track slag exhaust system and the Cupra. So yeah, let's without further ado, let's get cracking and show you what's what. So right, O2 sensor, as you can see, goes down to, so see this grey one, it literally goes down there, hot's in there. So you can undo that, I believe, pull the wiring out, so obviously when we undo the cat, this isn't holding it in place. And then there is I think it's a hex key or an Allen key there. Then you're not going to be able to see this very well, but if you look literally just under there, my finger is hiding right down there, so you're going to have to like get a spanner or a socket this way through the decat and undo the bracket, and then a bit further down there as well there is going to be another. I'll try and zoom in for you. You can just about see it there, yeah. See, I'm literally going to get my finger in there, so there's another bolt there. We're going to take that out, and yeah, so I'll go through it step by step and show you what we're doing. First things first, literally connector off. So literally easy as this. So you can push down the clip. So it is quite a hard clip, so maybe you could get like a flathead just to pry down on it. But what I did first was I disconnected the bracket, so I pulled the connector out and then disconnected it, and then you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 down there, and then obviously we've got the wire for the cat out, so nothing's going to snag us now. So theoretically we could undo this downpipe, the V-band, which we'll do now, because obviously it's really hot, so I'm going to do that first, and then undo the brackets and go from there.
On the subframe.
Really?
Yeah.
Right now, so this is what we've got. We've got a track slag 4 inch to 3 inch, so I can actually get my hand in there. It's that big, like that is chaos, you know. And then obviously track slag. What brand of clothing used to do that? Is it Cupra that used to have the women on it? So yeah, got a 3 inch track slag, and then we've got centre section, rear quarter, and the tiniest back box you'll ever see. Like that's my hand, and that's the back box. That is small. And then we've got some tips. So yeah, you don't want it to be loud, do you?
Well, not droney.
Not droney. He doesn't want a droney 4 inch to 3 inch to basically a cat. You know what? I'll use my penis as insulation, because that ain't gonna do nothing. So yeah, let's get the downpipe dropped, jack it up. Yeah, there's a sexy fucking tech, mate. Right, so recording for some reason, yeah. I don't know if they've all got to go this way, but they've literally put the bolt that way. So I've got a tiny ratchet on a reducer and like an Allen bolt, and it's just a joke to get out. So obviously he hasn't opened this up, it's going to push it further to me, innit?
Just to confirm, I can't see nothing through this.
Oh, can't you?
No. Press the... Oh yes.
Yeah.
She recording? She better be.
See if we can show them.
Yeah, but I've already pressed that once. I don't know if it's recording.
Yeah, if you heard it beep, it'll go. You can see, literally, we got a little ratchet. So if I'm putting it in, I hope I'm undoing it. Right, so we've undone the 2 nuts, so we are hanging, so that's loose. Obviously the V-band clamp's loose. What I found was an extension with a 13 on it, straight down the back. You can use your right arm and then use your eyes down there to kind of see it, and then there is another one down there, so 13mm on the smallest ratchet, straight off. Did smash my finger up though, but yeah. We're pretty tough off, so we're going to just loosen this off, and then pretty much we've got to go under the car. Right, so what I've done, he actually looks like he's doing it now, but I've actually got a little Allen key kind of thing, and then got a hammer, and then just literally tapped it, the bolts all the way out, just to give it a little tap, and then it comes out literally just like that. So show him, is it folding off? Has it got come back on itself a bit? Yeah, so sweet.
It's got some flick.
Right, and so hopefully you can see this now. So we're underneath. Any of you VAG specialists in that will know the score. So went to an exhaust place, and I think this is off a Mark 7 Golf, because I think it's a bit different. So I'm told that the decap should be sitting central in the tunnel. So obviously my brother wants to get a 3 inch exhaust system. So obviously here it goes 2.5, but then like imagine if that was 3 inch, that would definitely, look, I can't even get my finger in there, so I'm guessing the downpipe would, if we went 3 inch, it would literally catch all the what it would like tap on this. So yeah, we're just gonna go all axle stands on the points we've got on the subframes. We still got the jack, well I did think we had the jack underneath, but we haven't. WD-40'd all the all the bolt things and that. So yeah, let's I think we undo these two next. Sorry, this might be a bit upside down because I'm upside down. Yeah, let's get her off. Then press that button, then you'll see. So
you done it?
Yeah.
So you told me that for nothing.
So yeah, we're just undoing the bracket first. Hopefully we can take the exhaust out as one. So yeah, undo this. Two 13mm bolts. To be fair, I think everything's 13mm. Oh yes, lovely. Oh yes, finger me senseless. Oh my god, that's what a dream. Oh yes, everything's 13mm. It's not like a fucking Renault where someone's 15, someone's 17 and someone's 19. We'll get the gun and just there. I've got two guns on it now, so it's alright.
Oh, so this kid here, yeah, he's done mechanics college for 3 years. The first bolt he's touched with a gun is fucking snapped. Where is he? That's because he didn't WD-40 it for me. Go to college, you do loads of paperwork, you don't know fuck all. You can take that as a little trophy. So yeah, if you want any work done to your car, don't call him.
So yeah, me and Aaron, we've undone this bracket without snapping anything, and that's rusty as my nan's arsehole. We've undone the bracket, this middle bracket here, lovely. We've undone that bracket there. So
hold on, who's undone them?
We've undone them.
Who's undone them?
We've undone
You're on 2 bolts here, you liar.
And then we've undone this bracket here, so theoretically, if we move this bit...
Which we can't because Louis fucking...
Yeah.
Where's the other one?
Yeah.
What other one? Can you get that out now?
Right, so literally, cat backs off. What we doing here? We've gone into some mad thing right there. Jesus. There we go, it's a bit better. We've gone in, the down pop off, but it's stuck in the like the well where it comes out. There's 2 brackets, and it just doesn't seem to be coming out, like it's wedged. So we're trying to sort that out at the minute. I've took the back box off, the back box split off. We did actually find this. My brother said his car was rattling after a bit. We found this. God knows how long this has been in the car, but this was sitting between like the subframe. So yeah, God knows how long that's been there. So yeah, there's the standard back box. But yeah, look at it. It's a bit flat there, so I don't know what's happened there, but it looks like it's had a little bod job, man. So you've got sleeve there, sleeve there. Yeah, that's weird. So it's got a back box bit, there's a sleeve there, a sleeve there. Man, there's so many sections of this, it's crazy. Right then, so literally, I'm literally just about to lose my head. Apparently, the decat that was installed it had OEM mounts put on it, so we couldn't actually pull the jack out without. We couldn't actually pull the decat out, so we've actually cut the bracket. So one bracket's been cut off. Apparently, you only need the top one on the decat for some reason. So we tried a Dremel. Aaron's shit Dremel didn't really work that well. So I've just had to go to mine to get the hacksaw, because I was like, there's no way I'm not dropping the subframe if you don't have to. So we've just cut the one bracket and literally pulled it out. So it took me like half an hour to get to my house just to get the hacksaw. Literally a minute, 30 seconds of hacksawing straight off. So yeah, let's get the big boy on and hopefully we can get this back together. Yeah, it's recording. Right then, so the new one went straight in. Honestly, because of them brackets on the old decat, we had massive problems. Literally, I can't explain. 30 seconds and got it in, like, so I would try and show you, but kind of put it in upside down and then spin it, and then you've just got to like just wiggle it and then it comes in. So what we're gonna do now is put the rubber brackets in. I'm gonna try and find the bracket thing, but yeah, let's stick it back together.
Malcolm, don't do that up on it. Let me get the
sat on properly.
Oh no, I didn't even look at that.
Video me, sir.
I can't see, to be honest. It's too dark in there. What's that like?
Gushy shit. Oh, always one of them, innit?
Even though you said. Oh, fucking. I don't know.
Natural fucking Shut up.
It's got to be flush, isn't it?
Yeah.
The car's too high, I can't fucking.
Oh,
and then. Yeah.
Oh, you ain't got.
You don't need to sit in it. Just press the brake.
I just pulled my trousers down for no reason. Then I didn't want to get you fucking ready. 4-inch McLovin. Nothing.
You got your foot on the brake.
I just fucking told you that. What did I say? You have to get in the car. Guess what? Someone's got no fuel again. Right then, so we are pretty much all good. So brackets all in place. Got the lovely sexy Traxlag decat. I'll put the bracket back on, so the 4 bolts there. This is in loose, but I've made sure the Traxlag is all the way in there. So where the holes are, you can't see, you can just see pure metal. There is another little bracket there, as you can see. Made sure that's all the way on. So 1 bracket, 2 bracket, and then obviously the rear quarter and the rear back box section is going to go on. So yeah, I'll get back to you when we've slapped that in. So we're having fun. So literally that's what we had to cut off. I don't know what keeps giving me this. I've changed the aperture, like, as you can see. So yeah, literally all we had to do was just chop that little bit off. So the new one has only got the 1 bracket, which is at the top there. So yeah, that's literally it. Boom, 3-inch decat. Let's go. And so in total, I don't think it was really that bad, to be honest. Apart from that bracket, which was an absolute slag. So I think if you're doing this yourself, I think you've got to lower the subframe, which I didn't really want to do. So it was like, Louis, cut this bracket, literally cut like that much off it. And that's that. So I think if you're going to do it yourself and that, either you can, most people are going to just take the decat off and sell it, because you can get a fortune for the cat. It's up to you really. I know probably we could have done it better and probably dropped the subframe out and that, but like, confidence zone, dropping a subframe is a bit, I ain't there yet. So yeah, we just chopped it, got that saw, cut it in 5 seconds, and it was pretty much straightforward, man. The slots just slot straight on. I think on my exhaust, if I do get an exhaust, well, if I do get a proper exhaust for the Teg, because mine's like 2 1/4, I think, at the moment. So I will go 3-inch. So yeah, that's somewhat for another day, but I'd like V-band set up really for that. So yeah, hope you all enjoyed the video. Comment down below, let me know what you want to see next. Do you want to see a video on the Cupra? We'll try and do a little review. I do want to do reviews. I keep saying this, but I do want to keep doing reviews, because hopefully we can do reviews as little fillers, and then hopefully when I get mods we can add them in bit by bit, if that makes sense. So yeah, hope you all enjoy the content. Man, you've been amazing recently. Since I bought this Teg, you're absolutely loving it. So yeah, just want to say I really do appreciate it, man. You lot are absolutely mint. So yeah, see you on the next one, guys. Hope you enjoy the video. See you in a bit.